Alright, so I did a video about this Watson's but now Bluetooth speaker, and I think it's actually pretty good. So today I'm going to be doing another video, actually two more videos about this thing, because it's going to have a tone test, basically to test how good it actually sounds like. And then we're going to have a music test to play some real music, just all music, random music stuff, whatever. Wait a second to turn off my Cobra Top. Yay. So, we're going to have a listen. Now, this is the tune test. And again, my camera doesn't pick up any bass, but it's alright because this Bluetooth speaker is not really bassy. So, here we go. Aw, fuck. Stupid ass. There we go. It's a lot better. Oh, fuck. Dumbass. God damn it, I hate this Bluetooth speaker. It just doesn't fucking working right. Oh, shit. There we go. Alright, so sorry for that fucking junk connection problem. Well, it's just my Bluetooth speakers are being a little shitty. Yeah, so might not be as good as I thought, but it still does sound good, actually. I'm gonna, maybe if, someday, maybe not now, I don't have time, yeah, but maybe I'll get to do a little teardown video on it and see the inside, if it's really good stuff or it's just cheap electronic stuff, cheap Chinese bullshit or anything. But yeah, there we go.